Hey guys, so I'm back today with a new BarkBox video for the month of April that I just received, and I'm going to show you guys what's in the box. Sorry if you guys hear a lot of jingling stuff, a lot of jingling noises. Those are my babies playing right now, and they won't leave the room, so I don't want to kick them out and be rude, so they're going to stay in here. Sorry for the jingling though. So this is how it came, and it says BarkBox, and obviously this box is a little bit detailed, and it looks like a little treasure chest. So I'm just like, I think I know what it is. It is obviously, it has to be like a pirate box or whatever, or like treasure and whatnot. So I am gonna open it for you guys right now. Whoops, sorry. And we can check this out. Ooh, this paper just fell out. It actually just flew out. This is, oh, this is just telling like, it's like a little note, and it's just saying what kind of like toys is in this box. So this is something different that they did, because usually they don't do stuff like this. And they have a two-time multi-part toy, a rope toy, choose, and rip and reveal toy. So if they ever get through to one of the toys, I think they have a couple toys over there too. If they ever like break it and like actually like play with it roughly enough to like actually break it, there's like something inside, that like another toy inside that they can play with, basically. So yeah, that's this. We have another paper here. Barkbeard's Treasure, A Pirate's Tale. So I think that's the name of this box. Barkbeard's Treasure. And yeah, let's see. Shiver Me Pictures. So they want you to take a picture. Oh, we're getting a bandana. It says it on there. Okay. So let's open this up. I'm going to show you guys the wrapping paper like I always do, because I love the wrapping paper. It's so unique. Fabby box. And, oh my god, this is so cute. So this is what one side looks like. It's just like jewels and rubies and gold and gauntlets and plates and pearls and stuff like that. And then the other side it says Barkbeard's Island, Barkbeard's Treasure, A Pirate's Tale, Mediterranean Sea. And it has all these little things on it. So, look at a little pirate ship. And a little treasure chest over here. And an octopus. So, yeah. Cute. I'm totally saving this one. I love it. Hi, honey. Let's start with the treats. So we have by Bark. It's wheat-free, corn-free, grain-free, and soy-free. This is Captain Cheddar's Gold Nuggets, chicken and cheese flavored dog treats. You guys can see that. And Hannah is here trying to like sniff out the goods. Right, mommy? Okay. And I'll do a little like, I'll show you guys me giving it to them to see if they like it. They usually do like all the stuff, all the treats that they get. They still have the ones from last month, so they haven't finished it. This one is by Chloe Cupcake Doggy Bakery. This is real chicken, pork, and cheese. It's called Merpup's Pearls. Grain-free and soft and chewy. So, that is so cute. I love it. Open up and let the legends of the seeds light your pup. Really, really cute. So if you guys want any of these things, you guys can go on the website, barkbox.com, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. I always do this. Sorry. Yeah, barkbox.com. And you guys can like find the treats and buy them individually if you didn't get the box for this month. So yeah. Hi, honey. Hennessy's here now. She's like, you want to say hi? Look, you want to say hi? Say hi. Oh, look at Hannah. Hannah. Okay, honey, I know. But they're here. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna put you down, hon. Go play. You're getting hair all over me. And then they always get like an extra chew. So this is backstrap chews, sourced in the New York. Wow, I can't speak today. Made in the USA. Great teeth cleaning chews, high in protein. No additives, no fillers, no grains, no chemicals, no byproducts. And this is like the packaging. It's really cute. Like, say that's not cute. So now for the little toys and stuff, and this time they got a bandana. So obviously it only came with one because I'm only paying for one bark box. So hopefully I can maybe find something similar in like a store or something so that they can both have one. But this one is a bandana, and it's called Bark Beards Bandana, and they want you to like try to take a picture and put the hashtag and post it on social media. But this is basically what it looks like, and it has skull and bones on it. But on to the toys. So this is Clam Overboard, and this is a multi-part toy, a squeaker, long plush, I don't know exactly what that means, and it's a crinkle. So it looks like this. It's nice and pinky purple, and it has two little, I don't know, pearls in it. One has a sword in its mouth, and the other has an eye patch. And yeah, this can like come apart and they can play with it individually, but it actually goes inside like that. That's the little tongue, and it's a crinkle, so it's very crinkly, and these squeak. So they're gonna play with this. Bye, baby. You like it? You like it? She's like sniffing it. Oh yeah, they want to play. So I'll let them play with this after. And then we got, if I can see his face. Oh no, I caught a squirrel. I caught a squirrel. So this is Merv, the Squirmermaid King. So it's like a mermaid king, but it's a squirrel. And this is a long fur squeaker crinkle fluff toy. And this is what he looks like with his little Triton. Triton. I don't know what this is called. Whatever. I think I'm right. I don't know. I might be wrong. His little fork thing. This, you know. And he has a lot of hair. And he has his little teeth here. And he is a squeaker. And he has a little tail. All his tails are crinkle. Oh yeah, they love crinkle toys. They love crinkle toys. But yeah, he has a little crown. Yeah, crown, king crown right there. And yeah, they love toys like this. So that is it for the April bark box. For the babies, the puppies, my little chewy weenies, and this is what they're gonna play with for this month. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload a new video. And yeah, if you want to see more, just let me know in the comment section down below if I should keep doing these videos, and if you like them and stuff like that. So yeah, and I'll see you guys. Bye.